Warren Buffett. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Benjamin Graham. The individual investor should act consistently as an investor and not as a speculator. John D. Rockefeller. If your only goal is to become rich, you will never achieve it. Peter Lynch. Know what you own and know why you own it. Charlie Munger. The big money is not in the buying and selling, but in the waiting. Ray Dalio. He who lives by the crystal ball will eat shattered glass. George Soros. It's not whether you're right or wrong, but how much money you make when you're right and how much you lose when you're wrong. Paul Samuelson. Investing should be more like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, take $800 and go to Las Vegas. David Dreaman. Psychology is probably the most important factor in the market, and one that is least understood. J.P. Morgan. The first step towards getting somewhere is to decide you're not going to stay where you are. Jesse Livermore. The stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of the people, most of the time. John C. Bogle. The biggest enemy of a good plan is the dream of a perfect plan. Andrew Carnegie. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Robert Kiyosaki. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep. Jim Rohn. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Napoleon Hill. Your big opportunity may be right where you are now. Thomas J. Stanley. Wealth is the result of a lifestyle of hard work, perseverance, planning, and most of all, self-discipline. Carl Icahn. In life and business, there are two cardinal sins. The first is to act precipitously without thought, and the second is to not act at all. John Paulson. If you don't own gold, you don't know history or economics. Charles Schwab. A man can succeed at almost anything for which he has unlimited enthusiasm. Howard Marks. The most important thing is to be aware of what you don't know. Warren Buffett. Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Philip Fisher. The stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything but the value of nothing. Sir John Templeton. Bull markets are born on pessimism, grow on skepticism, mature on optimism, and die on euphoria. Mark Cuban. Work like there is someone working 24 hours a day to take it all away from you. T. Boone Pickens. Be willing to make decisions. That's the most important quality in a good leader. Richard Branson. Business opportunities are like buses. There's always another one coming. Suze Orman. Every time you borrow money, you're robbing your future self. Elon Musk. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Jeff Bezos. In the end, we are our choices.